You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Bonjour, we are looking at how to say this word. That is French for timer. It's based on the word minute, indeed, and this video was requested in the comments, so thanks to the person, Ali, I believe, who requested it. Thanks for this. Minuteur is how you say it. Minuteur. Minute is a minute. Minuteur is a timer. Now you have to know that French people often say timer as well. Timer. Un timer as well. The English word is used also in French. But minuteur is indeed the French word for it. And now you know. I hope this was useful, like this video. Follow along with the journey. Subscribe. Thanks for watching, and more videos for you to learn more French. Thank you. Merci. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.